Hi guys, in this episode I'm going to be showing you what I'm getting rid of in my closet today because it has involved extreme, violent cruelty towards animals. So in today's episode I have sold today this La Rudette brown leather jacket. I only bought it about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years. I got this black one as well in the same design. Now when I bought these I thought they were the perfect leather jacket. But I'll tell you why I'm selling them. And then I've got these leather trousers from Superdry, which I've never worn, as you can see. I sold them today as well. So, I used to just think of things as leather, and I didn't think anything more than that, and that was the problem. I was brainwashed like the majority of the human races. Then I saw behind the Wizard of Oz curtain, and that was, oh my God, I saw the cows getting slaughtered, the lambs getting slaughtered, the fear in their eyes, the trembling, the crying, the tears. Also we could wear them on our bodies. Now, if you think about Silence of the Lambs, there's that guy Buffalo Bill, isn't there? He has those women down in the basement so he can take their skin off so he can wear it. Well, that's illegal, isn't it? Correct. So this should be illegal as well. I don't believe in human supremacy. Again, something I've only just realised recently. I don't believe in it. I think all animals should be treated equally. Would you wear this if this was made of dog leather? You'd be like, oh no, definitely not. Well, all animals deserve the same queen and king status that we give our beloved pets. They all deserve that. It's not up to us to decide who should live and who should die when it comes to the animal kingdom. So, yeah. I saw a program called Earthlings, not a program, a film, and it's free on YouTube, and I've seen other footage as well. And yeah, I just thought, oh my God, I've been paying for somebody to hurt these poor animals who go through hell so I can wear them on my body. I am not a caveman. You know, we have other materials that we can wear now, and there's no excuse. These materials have been around for hundreds of years to keep us warm. So we are inferior humans. We don't have the right natural skin and coats for the different climates that we go through. You know, like a polar bear, he's already got his big fur coat on, hasn't he? He doesn't need to take from somebody else, from another animal, so he can keep warm. Well, we shouldn't be taking from other animals to keep ourselves warm, yeah? Because I tell you why. Would you like to become somebody's leather jacket with your skin? The answer's no. The answer's no. So that is when I work out, should I be buying this thing or not? And that is how I've now worked out, what have I been doing? This is horrendous. These poor animals that I've paid somebody to go bludgeon, to go hurt, to go murder. Oh my God, that is just like a penny dropping and a big awakening. So a lot of brands now are losing clients like me, losing customers like me who are also thinking, yeah, I just want to wear vegan leather now. I just want to wear man-made leather because I'm a man, right? I don't want to hurt innocent animals. So La Rudette, if you make these in vegan leather, I might buy them again. Superdry, if you make trousers in vegan leather, I might buy them again. Otherwise, you'll lose me as a customer. And just to leave you with this thought when it comes to leather trousers. So, have you ever had a pedicure? Or have you ever had dry skin on your feet? Particularly when you're walking a lot in sandals on holiday, you get quite dry skin on the heels, can't you? And you need to file it off, shave it off. And so then you get these little pieces of skin, don't you? And they're quite disgusting, aren't they? The skin from feet. Well, when you see somebody wearing animal leather trousers, that's what you can think. This is the same as wearing lots of shavings from people's feet, soldered together, whatever that word is, sort of melted together to make leather trousers. That is exactly what these are. This is skin. How is what I've said not correct? These leather trousers are skin. So it's like having lots of feet shavings soldered together. I know that's not the right word, but I don't know what the word is. You know, molded together to make leather trousers. So next time you see somebody walking in thinking they're sexy in the animal leather trousers, just think of those foot shavings. Just think of them wearing loads and loads of foot shavings, all on the legs, you know. And when they turn round at you and they wiggle the bum and they think they look sexy, just think of those nasty, dry feet shavings that they are wearing. And because that's what it is. That's what these are. It's skin. It's skin. So it's the same thing. So that's why I've sold these products today. So yeah, I just don't want to wear animal leather anymore. Animal liberation. Let's take care of the animals. We are an ecosystem. Every animal, you know, from worms to vultures, to humans, we've all got our place on this planet, and we all deserve to have our own family and to have a right to live, not to be used as slaves and anything, and to be murdered by humans to wear for clothes. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Do follow me at Kerry Hopkins TV so you can get more of these videos, and I'll show you other products that I'm going to be giving away and that I've already sold. Okay, peace. Bye for now.